We're on the way to our staycation. Yeah. Hi. We are staying at Fullerton Hotel. Usually we can choose between St. Regis or Fullerton, but we decided to try this one this time because the past 2 years we went to St. Regis and we have requested like baby cot and all that. So we'll film the room when we get there. It's probably like the most basic room, the courtyard room facing the inside of the hotel. And then we paid for breakfast buffet tomorrow. So we'll see you there. Let's see. With a baby we packed so much stuff. So there's some food, a stroller, and a huge luggage. We made it! Look, Daisy! Time to go out. Okay, Daddy went to park the car. We got the bag check ticket. This is what Daisy loves to play with. Now, how do I get up? I found it. On a secret slope. And then we're gonna go check in. Walk to the check-in counter. I love the natural skylight and everyone's having lunch or tea. Daisy, are you looking at the bears? The bears? You want to touch the bears? She's trying to touch the bears. The room's not ready, so we're gonna go head out for lunch. Good girl.
Mama.
Okay, we made it to like one Fullerton, and now we're gonna find some food. Also, look in front of us. The view is crazy. It's literally MBS right there. But it's hot ass, guys. It's like hot ass. So hot, Daisy. Look, you're blasted by the sun. Whee!
You like the water, Daisy?
It's so fun being tourists over here.
Yeah, it's fun.
Being tourists in our own country.
The Merlion?
We've never been. Oh, we haven't even seen the
Merlion.
Yeah, same.
Up close.
So we can take Merlion photos. Wait, can you guys see? It's a bit bright.
It's the first time.
Look, guys, can you see the Merlion? That's so cool. This is our first time seeing it. Daisy, is literally your first time in your entire life. And she loves fountains, so she's gonna love it. Oh, yeah.
Let's go see.
We've decided to order Mos Burger here. It has honestly like a really prime spot right here. And they have like Merlion popsicles or something. And we'll just choose here because there's aircon.
Muscle nuggets.
No, it's bad.
Oh.
But look, the fan's blowing her. She feels cool here. Okay, our food just came. It smells so good. I got like a takoyaki burger. But you get a mentaiko, some takoyaki as well, right?
Mayo.
And butterfly prawn, chicken, and fries. And of course the iced tea. So cute. They have a special serviette. That's so cool. Oh, the takoyaki burger has like bonito flakes and stuff.
Yeah, my bonito flake moving still alive.
Let's eat. It's like octopusy. I brought 2 food pouches for her. Expensive ones. And this girl rejects both and rather eat plain burger bun. Some of the scraps here. So sad. I want to give her a fry, but Daddy says no.
How about the chicken?
She moved on to her Mos chicken. Look, like father, like daughter. Alright, we're done with our lunch. Mos Burger was so yummy and so fresh. Now we're gonna head back to the hotel and hopefully we can check in. This thing is super not baby friendly. We've carried her up like so many staircases and down the escalators, which are illegal. Girl, can you close your legs? Girl! You see yourself? Hi! Yes, you happy? She kinda fall in. Maybe you should readjust her. Yay! You got our keys?
Daisy, show Mama your keys.
Can I see your keys, Daisy? Ding! Now we're gonna go to our room. Okay. We made it to level 3. 340 this way. It's so far.
It's at the end.
You wanna give Mama the keys? I have one, Daisy. Come on. Okay, we're here. We're here. 0340. Ooh, wait, let me turn on the lights. Ta-da. Nice, come in. This is so cute, but also like, where's your baby cot? I think they forgot. Yeah, there's like no baby cot. Is there even a baby bath in there? Let's go check out the bathtub.
No way.
Oh, my feet are cold. The marble is so cool. Big bathtub. Shower. Toilet. Hey Daisy, let's take a photo of you in a bit. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Aya. Okay, say that. Say that.
1, 2.
Daisy. Daisy. Ah, sit down. Ah. Okay, Daisy.
Daisy, Papa.
Darling.
Ah.
Hey, hi. Look at Mama. Oh, you eating fluff from the bed? Okay. Good girl. So we just reached and she decided to grace our room with the first poop.
That's fine, yes.
They gave you a baby kit. What's inside the baby kit?
Open.
Open. Good job.
Take
They
out.
have soap. Take out. What is this? A wipe. What else do you have? Some more? What's in there? What is this? Shampoo. Shower gel.
Keep taking my stuff.
Lotion.
Daisy, inside.
And I think that's just like a
Inside,
bar
inside.
soap.
Put your hand here.
Daisy in there. Grab that. What is that? Bar soap? Okay, we've just set up the baby monitor. And I used their blanket and their towel to cover so she can't really see much. And we're putting our bedsheet from home so it's a bit more familiar for her. We'll see how the first nap goes. So a travel hack is that we always bring these like clothes clip because it's so easy to use. I wonder if they have some live music at night. I hope not.
Good job.
You clapping for yourself?
Daisy here?
Daddy built a little fort for you, little play area. Okay, somebody had milk, a diaper change, and now she's gonna go for a nap. But we will explore the hotel first, kind of tire her out a bit. Because recently she's been avoiding nap too. Look, there's the pool. Let's go see. This is level 2. Oh, it's kind of outdoorsy. You got your towel, a little bar. This is the level 5 roof garden. But basically you can have a solemnization here. Okay, somebody just woke up from her nap. She napped like 30 minutes there. And then Daddy contact napped her here because it's so cold. Like, the baby monitor says 17 degrees. Oh, she was so cold.
Yeah, very, very cool.
Okay.
Yeah, give her more.
Yeah, and then he started snoring while holding her, and then she woke up like, Right, you see all the people. You see the people having high tea. You want to join them?
See, I cover.
Where are they?
Okay. Cover. Okay.
You waving at them?
Yeah? Okay. Open. Close. Okay. She's trying to get the attention. Live streaming.
Okay, we made it out and we are going for dinner now. It's so nice.
I don't know. You want to see the pictures?
So we brought her food. Mom and Dad came in clutch. We got porridge, we got corn, and we got eggs. Yeah. Daisy's ready. There's people watching. The Merlion's right there. Daddy has beef burger with truffle fries and mee siam. It's so nice at night. Can you see the Singapore Flyer, MBS? On the way back from dinner, we're gonna have to shower and then bedtime routine. Trying to figure out the bath situation. Boop, boop, boop. Okay. Alright. I think we'll sign off here, okay, Daisy? Say bye, everybody. See you at breakfast buffet tomorrow. Good night.